Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Drinking hot chocolate and looking at the lake.
Where'd you get the hot chocolate?
Jello mousse.
Oh. Everybody, this is Gabe up in Grand Marais, Minnesota. Just hanging out with my kids and enjoying a Minnesota-style blizzard up in Grand Marais. It's very beautiful up here, and I love the snow. Haven't had much snow yet this winter, so I'm going to get a couple inches tonight, and it just turns into total whiteout with the lake effect snow. But super, super pretty up here. Hope you guys are having a good one.